Alright guys, what's up? Some of you guys have asked for a video like this, so that is why I am doing it. This video will be about how I pack for a trip, an international trip, but this also applies to my work and what I do. I travel for work sometimes, and so this is how I pack my bag for a week, maybe 2 weeks, and I just fit it in one bag, in one sized backpack. So here we go. So first off, I start off with my laptop, and this is a backpack that I bought from REI. Basically spent like $160 on it. Pretty good. I got a charger here for my backpack, charger here for my laptop. Next up are my shoes, my backup shoes. Jeans, shorts, shirts, underwear, and socks. Can't forget your deodorant and foot powder. And then, essentials for keeping yourself clean: toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, maybe some Tylenol just in case, and lotion. These are essential. These are earplugs. So just don't forget your earplugs. These are really cheap ones. I think I just got them, I don't know where I got them, from work or something. But you need these when you travel. And this is really convenient. This is a very small, close fit, light towel. And it's very small and it's very convenient. I take this wherever I go, and it hardly weighs or takes up any much space. So pretty good. Last but not least, medium-sized jacket and a layer, a waterproof layer. Sandals. Well, I can do these later after I show you guys how it looks. So this is how my backpack looks after fitting all those things in. Okay, I just need to fit in the sandals and the jacket and waterproof layer. All right, take a look. Okay. And voila, here we have it, my backpack. This will last me about 1 week, and then after 1 week, if I have to stay longer, I'll just do laundry and reuse the same clothes. Not much of a high maintenance guy, so I don't care if I wear the same clothes for a week or two, especially when my goal is to travel or my goal is to work. So there you have it. Yeah, let me get some video with me wearing it. There we have it. All right, cool. See you guys in the next one.